But I gotta get y'all some turn, bro. My bad, I just went the wrong way. Y'all getting a real spill, bro. I ain't finna cat to y'all about nothing. Ain't finna cat to y'all boy about nothing. Hey, I'm recording. I'm recording. That's all.
Damage.
Everybody wanna be hard. Wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun. Call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft. Can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up. When they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car, ain't stunning. I just been getting that bad.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see. But this time, man, I'm doing a POV with, you know what I'm saying, hands-free. You feel me? I'm on a hands-free POV, as y'all can see, man. But as y'all can tell, man, by the title, before I even get into that, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. And also, man, we on the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. Cari crew, you feel me? All y'all new subscribers right now, all y'all new viewers watching, you haven't subscribed, man, hit that subscribe button and join the Cari crew, man, and get your boy to 10K, man. We're going up this whole year, bro. We're going crazy. We're on the road to 10K right now. But as y'all can see by the title, man, I'm bringing back the OG, man. I am the founder and creator of this type video, bro, which is drifting every turn, sliding every turn, whatever every turn, bro. If it got every turn in it, bro, you know what I'm saying, came from me, bro. You know what I'm saying? Humbly speaking. But Cari crew, man, nevertheless, I just had to say that a little, you know what I'm saying, just let that be known for people that don't know. If you go back on my channel and look, bro, I was the first person to ever, you know what I'm saying, come up with that, bro. Like, ever. I looked it up before I did it, typed the title in. Nobody never done it, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, the video went crazy, and now it's all across the world, you feel me? So I appreciate that, man. Nothing but love. I never thought I'd be a trendsetter, you know what I'm saying, off of something. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, man, I ain't did one of these in a while, man. I know most of y'all subscribe to me from that, and I know y'all missed this, bro, so I had to bring it back to y'all, man, 'cause I'm trying to, we getting this 10K, man, and why not get that 10K in style, you know what I'm saying, with a bang. I know y'all love these, and y'all gonna tune into these for sure. So y'all run this video up, man, get the video to 100 likes at least, you know what I'm saying, try to get this video to 5K, man, views, man. Try to get it up there, man. Let's try to break the algorithm again and get another one going crazy, man. Another 100K, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully, I don't know. That's what I hope for. But, you know, I ain't gonna have my stakes up too high. I ain't have my stakes up too high. This dude just staring at my car, bro. Man, what you wanna buy, bro? I am, huh? But yeah, man, as y'all can see, man, I'm looking at my watch so y'all can make sure y'all can see. But y'all, you know, we got the traction all the way off. You know what I'm saying? Things of that nature. I ain't mean to take 2 minutes of just talking, but we finna get straight into it, man. We're gonna try to drift every turn, you know what I'm saying? But I'm also going, like, you know, a POV drive as well at the same time, like the original video, you know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. Dang, y'all big diesel boy, y'all just be coming in. It's only one pump, bro. You going down the wrong side, bro. Man. But yeah, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these I said two-hand, freehand POV, bro. You know what I'm saying? I ain't did these in a while. That's really what I used to always do. This is the only POV I used to do was this one with the headset. I'm gonna roll the window down. Roll the back one down, man. So y'all can hear that thing, man. That wind blowing straight in my eyes. Hard, bro. Bro, those upshifts is amazing, man. Those upshifts is amazing, Cari crew. Hope y'all can hear me, man. Hope this wind ain't too bad. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully the wind ain't too bad, bro. The echo's stupid, bro. Oh yeah, man. fourth and fourth to third. That must sound so crazy. But yeah, Cari crew, man, I ain't brought y'all one of these in a minute, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be chilling though, vibing. You feel me? I'm gonna roll this first. I'm gonna roll my window just a little bit more so y'all can hear me. I'm gonna leave the other one down. Shoo. Man, boy, I love them trees, man. That tree echo different, bro. It's crazy. Yeah, man, we're gonna find some turns to drift, man, or slide. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know if y'all want to see a POV like this, bro. Me driving, you know what I'm saying? 10 and 2, you feel me? But you know, just giving y'all that Forza type vibe, man. You know what I'm saying? We in sport mode with it, something slight, man. Something slight, man. I ain't gonna make that turn. It's another turn. Not right here. It's another one. Hey man, if y'all get one of these, if y'all get this video to like 1,000 likes, bro, which I not trying to sound, you know what I'm saying, rude, but I know y'all not gonna get it to 1,000 likes, but bro, if y'all get this video to 1,000 likes, bro, I go in a rich neighborhood and do a drift every turn, bro. Real talk. I'm talking about big boy neighborhood, like 2-story houses, HOA. You know what I'm saying? Everybody grass cut, one of those type. If y'all got a video to 1,000 likes. Crazy. We're gonna get this on turn, bro. It kind of remind me of the video that went viral because I was doing the same thing, bro. Driving on, you know what I'm saying, Mexico roads like this. Trying to find turns. Oh, I should have turned. I'm gonna go back over there. I ain't even know that neighborhood right there. But on trees, bro, I'm telling y'all, bro. That's just crazy. A car would be coming, bro. I was gonna slide this turn, bro, but I can't. I literally can't, bro. Because they was like, it's too small. That bitch is too small, bro. I sure was going. Let me see what's back here anyway. Yeah. I'm back here now. Let me see what's back here, man. I might find something new, man. Man, ain't nothing. I can't make it for nothing. Y'all hear the burbles? Look at these folks. My white folk probably like, but what the fuck? Take a curve. But bro, I ain't did drifting every turn in so long, y'all. Like, I ain't mean to take this long, bro. I'm gonna probably chop a lot of this out. But I gotta get y'all some turn, bro. My bad, I just had went the wrong way. Y'all getting a real spill, bro. I ain't finna cat to y'all about nothing. Ain't finna cat to y'all boy about nothing. Hey, that bill, I'm glad I got to feel that, bro. Cause that's what I was trying to figure out. I was trying to figure out how that felt, bro. I'm glad I got to feel that. When that bitch keep swinging, bro, that bitch give you a workout, but you gotta hold your core in doing that bitch. Bro, you gotta hold your core in and do that bit, boy. You gotta lift the seat up. Look at that old dude. He looking like, what the hell? Car, I know y'all saw that, boy. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Stay calm, bro. I ain't gonna lie. If somebody else in the car, they would have been like, boy, you finna lose it. I ain't gonna lie. Now, if I would have went stupid, man, ain't nothing back here, bro. I'm thinking, what is, like, where did this go? I'm finna turn around. I don't know what the hell I'm in. It's a lake. Oh my Lord, but they got water, but that water high as hell. Nah, but I'm finna go ahead and turn around, boy. Well, Cari, I know y'all seen that. Y'all probably got scared for you, boy. Y'all like, oh, he finna lose it. But that bit was swinging so hard, the camera on my head, the headband was like off my forehead. That bit was just holding the phone like that, swinging that bit. I gotta go back and see how that look, boy. I know that don't look crazy. But yeah, man, I know y'all seen that little wicked. I ain't did this in a while, bro. I ain't did this in a while, Cari crew, bro. I miss it, I ain't gonna lie. Robbers are folks in the neighborhood, cause they ain't never heard nothing like this. They probably like, who the hell is that? But yeah, Cari crew, man. I ain't mean to make this video like this one, but boy, I ain't gonna lie, that big guy crazy. Oh my gosh, boy. Boy, y'all see that? Boy. But this nigga car burning hella oil. What the fuck? But that's what I'm supposed to be doing with the tires. What that nigga just blew out? Bro, what the fuck? I caught all that on camera. That's crazy. Stick 'em. Bro, somebody behind me hauling ass. But who the hell that is? It been a Charger. What the fuck? Well, I thought it was 12. Oh, shit. What that is, Greg? That might be my home. I think that's my partner, Greg, bro. Y'all can't see him, bro. He behind me in the scat, bro. In a maroon scat. This bitch came behind me hauling ass. I don't know who that is, boy. I think that him though. This man interrupted my video, man. I'm supposed to be drilling every turn. This nigga all in the way, man. This nigga funny as hell. That's crazy, man. My boy, he behind me. Y'all can't see him, bro. But he in that maroon scat thing, that octane red thing, man. He in that octane red thing, man. That's crazy. I was like, bro, who is that hauling ass, bro? You look like 12, boy. You can't do that, boy. If that's you, Greg, bro, you can't do that, cuz you look like 12, bro. You can't be doing that, boy. You cannot be doing that, bro. This bitch here hell. This bitch here pure hell, bro. That junk crazy. That is him. Hey, I'm recording. I'm recording. That's all. That big Greg, man. Hey, man, he caught me working. He caught me working. That boy Greg, man. That boy Greg, y'all see that thing, man. I hope y'all see that bit. Y'all see that bit, man. Oh snap! Hey, I know. Hey, I was like, what the fuck? Oh man, that big Greg ain't hit the ship, bro. He's slipping, bro. He's slipping. I was like, bro, ain't no way. Ain't no way, cuz. They been went from drifting every turn to fucking racing. That bitch sound good, boy. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. I don't know what to call that bitch now. Damn. Where the hell he going? That boy going home. I ain't trying to follow you, Greg. I thought you were turning around. This big Greg funny as hell. This nigga funny as hell. I'm finna see what he up to though. I don't know if he going home or not. I ain't trying to follow him home, but hey, bro. That's crazy. My boy popped up out of nowhere. What if he would have came, bro? That's crazy, Car Crew. Bro, I forgot I was even recording. That's how crazy this is. That's how crazy this is, bro. I ain't even realize I was recording. I mean, I did realize I was recording. I just forgot, like, messing with this, man. Bruh, you literally caught me mid-video. Oh no, that was another car. That wasn't me. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, he had oil burning or something.
I was like, what the fuck? I thought then I came up, and I was like, I know Cari bitch ass ain't out here burning out.
My boy Greg on the cam, man.
Y'all go subscribe, man. Cari Beats.
Yes, sir, man.
Really the only scats that really be outside.
Really, bro. We really the only scat that really be outside, man.
Don't be listening, bro. I be trying to get them right.
I'm telling you, bro. Folk be playing. What the hell you on? Where the hell you going, bro?
I passed my house. I was on my way home.
Yeah, no, I was like, what the fuck you going? Well, yeah, that lit though, bro. He made a video turn. I was trying to do drifting every turn. I couldn't even, I probably did like 2 turns, bro. But yeah, that made that bit lit though. That bit lit.
Scat pulls up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna holler at you though, bro.
Oh yeah, bro, be easy. Sound good. See, I think he got a mid muffler delete, bro. That's how my car used to sound, bro. I forgot how that bitch even sound anymore. That boy said he passed that house trying to catch up to me, bro. That's real, man. That's love, man. You ain't have to do that, bro. You could have just been like, I saw you. But yeah, Car Crew, man, this video long enough, man. Appreciate my boy for in and out the video with a good little bang, man. You know what I'm saying? I was struggling trying to find these turns, bro. Y'all can see, but hey, I probably still might call it that, bro. I don't know yet. But y'all boys just respect the grind, respect the hustle, man. And you know what I'm saying? Hit that subscribe button and get your boy to 10K the quick way. And like I said, at the end of my video, you got to go. You're trying to achieve any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, Car Crew, man. Make sure y'all keep God first, keep him in the mix for all my religious folks, man. You know what I'm saying? And like I said at the end of my video, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.
Why these niggas watching me, they think that I ain't gon' notice. Mine been on this money, so that mean I'm way too focused.